Today we're going to show you how to create and post a poll on Facebook. Facebook polls are a great way to encourage social media interaction from your patients because all they have to do is choose an option. It's also a great way for you to learn more about your patients. Creating a poll is quick and easy, so let's go through the steps. First, make sure you're logged into your practice's Facebook account. At the top of your feed where it says Write Something, there are a few different options for what you can post. You should be able to see the photo video option and the feeling activity option, as well as an ellipses icon. Click the ellipses icon to see additional options. When you select the poll option, you'll notice that Write Something becomes Ask Something, and two option boxes appear. Currently, polls are limited to two options. Type the question you want your patients to answer in the question box, then type the two possible answers in the option boxes. Keep them short and sweet because answers can only be 25 characters long. If you'd like to spice up the options, you can use photos or funny reaction GIFs as the answers, which can make the poll more exciting and eye-catching for your followers. You might not even need words to explain it if you choose images or GIFs that are self-explanatory enough. Once you've created the question and answers to your satisfaction, you can choose how long to make the poll available. How much time do you want to give your patients to respond before the poll closes and you post the results? Make sure you also decide who can see your poll. Do you want it to be public or only available to friends of your practice's page? When you're ready, hit post and your poll will go live. If you have any questions or need help creating Facebook polls, just contact your social media consultant and they'll provide all the help you need. And as always, thanks for choosing My Social Practice.